All right, y'all. The battery died. We got this up. Got our Honda bond. This is what you do to seal the motor, or for your gasket, your center gasket. I'm gonna go get some Q-tips, and we're just gonna. Actually, I'm not gonna get a Q-tip. I'm just gonna wipe it with my finger, and then I'll use a screwdriver or something, a flathead, to get it in the spots I can't reach. But you want to make sure your surface is nice and clean, which both of them are. We got the gearing all good on this. You will need this tool. I've seen people not use the tool and just beat it on there, but I do not suggest that. Suggest you get this tool. It's only like 50 bucks. But we're gonna go ahead and start getting to it. I'll show y'all how I do it, but I'm gonna put it in time lapse because it really ain't no explaining to it. You just put. I'll show you guys how to put this piece on, and then I'll put it in time lapse. So you're gonna take this off. Come down here. This piece is gonna slide out or unscrew out. And what you'll do is you'll take this right here from your crank and bang. What I like to do though, since I got my washer. So you'll take this piece, slide it on there like so, slide your washer, and then slide the nut. You don't gotta tighten it down all the way. Just make sure that you got some threads on there. And then it'll be like that. You'll bring this piece over. Screw that all the way down. Slide your sleeve over. And then once that's like that, you'll put your nut down. Then you'll just tighten it. And it'll slowly press the cases together. What I like to do, I like to hammer around, make sure everything's getting on there real nice. But like I said, I'm gonna throw y'all on time lapse and we'll go from there. What up, y'all? So we're about to take apart this carburetor. get it all cleaned up. Actually, I don't even know. I gotta go to the store, so yeah, I ain't got no more carb cleaner. So I had to get that. I got a little bit of parts cleaner, but oh no, we got some right here. So first things first, let's pop his bottom off. I like to hit these two, do the hammer trick, because these bad boys are known for stripping. Alright, so far we already got some gunk in there, so let's go ahead and take this main jet out. How you check it? Hold it up to the light, look through it, which this one you can see through. It's actually a tiny bit of gunk. Not much though. Check both of them. So this is good. We'll still spray through it. Now let's take out the pilot. Pilot's usually the one that clogs up because it's smaller. Nope, this one's clean too. Nope. Alright, so show you guys close. You can't see through it at all. So that would have gave us starting problems. You can see on it too, there's a little gunk right there. So bang, we're gonna go ahead and spray this John out. Let's take this needle out too while we're at it. What size is this? 45, 138. Alright, we got that. Now let's take this air screw out. Let's see. So half, one, so 1.5. Half, one. Yeah, 1.5. Turns out. Take this John out. Now we're gonna go and actually let's take this float out too. Now we're just gonna go and spray all these ports out, bang, 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 then bang, and then we'll spray out the top a little bit. I might even spray down some of these gas lines. Probably not, but I'm gonna go do that real quick and then I'll come back and we'll might start throwing it together. What up, y'all? So we're about to hop on back on the motor. We just got back from Harbor Freight. Got a couple things. Got these little cleaning things. I'm about to go ahead and clean this. We're gonna put this back together, clean it a little bit better. I'm gonna show y'all how I make mine to where it's smooth. Let's put these on. Put this right here. I'll actually use this one. Alright, y'all, so this is dry now, so we're gonna go ahead and. That's a little weird, actually. The heck? Not sure what's going on there. Hopefully, looks like the case is still coming down. But what I like to do, I like to smear it like that. Then once it's all dry, just peel it off. Because that way you know that it bonded good. I'll show y'all when I'm done.
Cook that shit up, Quay.